Praising the Lord always. Praising the Lord always. Praising the Lord with all my heart. Praising the Lord with all my heart always. Hallelujah. My Lord is good. Hallelujah. My Lord is good. Hallelujah. My Lord is good. He's good to us. So, guys, Happy New Year. This this song is dedicated to all the people that are in Nigeria that are complaining about Hamatan. Welcome to the club. I hope you tested it very well. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are still enjoying it. That's why just the laugh all of una. Now two type of people now me they laugh. And I happy as the Hamatan they hammer all of una for there. Or that they complain. I even make video call with somebody today. The person cover eye, cover nose, cover head. I say, bros, that's how it be. Congratulations. After the reggae, wetin go happen? Then go play blues. Make on the dance out for there. I just want to thank God because you all have experienced this cold, this extreme cold, as somebody even told me it's 10 degrees in Nigeria, which is like summer here. If I will have 10 degrees now, with the kind of sun that you guys have there, I will party after party. That's what I'm going to do. But you see, guys, it is -5. Minus. What is minus? -5. Since 1 week. Snow no gree fall. If rain fall, na so all the motors go dey swim. Accidents go full everywhere. Na inside this -5, na person dey go work, person dey go school. You go freeze. Even to open your mouth talk. Look at all my lips. Now inside this -5, na person go work. You go give you the money. You go request the money like say na me and you, or na you and the person enter the code, go make the money. And if the person sef no even gree give you, the person go turn to your enemy. The person go turn to bad person. Common 10 degree, now all of una dey kill us, that say una dey cry. Cold. What of all of us wey be say we dey sleep, dey chop inside the cold, dey walk inside the cold? On our own be say e get season. This one now, 6 months. Since November, now cold don start. This minus now since this January now, so it just dey hammer us. We dey go street like this. You know, fear no even gree bring out your phone, say hello. Your hand go just freeze. January don reach, all of us don go blow all the money now. The money don finish. Very soon I go dey request. Like say no be on the same planet, all of us do Christmas together. So I'm very, very happy that you people have tasted what it is like, what cold is like. 10 degrees, all of us. 10 degrees even small. I am praying to God that God can even send you people like 5 or 2 degrees. Then when you people are requesting for money for those that are in the abroad, you guys will have what is called conscience. When you ask with respect. And if you are giving €1, if you are giving $1, you will so much appreciate it. So stop complaining. And for those of you that are applying for visa, you want to go to US, you want to go to Europe, and you are complaining about Hamatan, stay there, oh. Stay there. Because you see that one that you are seeing that place, that one are like grandchild. When you come meet what they call the great grandfather of code. Okay? So stay there. Don't apply. Just leave us. Let us continue here. Let us keep sending you money when we have. Okay? So I wish all of you happy Ogro, happy Hamatan. Enjoy it while it lasts, so that you go to make on the fresh. But reduce the way you're going to ask people money. Let this Hamatan borrow you sense. Let it borrow you sense. Okay? Make it borrow you sense. That people are living and eating actually inside that code, working. That money they will send to you, sit inside Biapol and blow it without even having a rethink. God bless you people and enjoy your Harmattan. Bye. Peace.